Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset your suburban RV furnace in 2026. So first of all, you need to switch off your RV furnace from the thermostat, then turn off the power supply to the furnace. This particular step ensures the safe reset and it also clears the temporary system errors. Now, once you have done that, you need to simply open the furnace access panel. Now, most of the suburban RV furnaces do not have a dedicated reset button. So you will be resetting it through the power cycle. So you can check for any of the visible switches or controls near the unit, or you can also leave the power off for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then after this time duration, simply turn the power back on, switch the thermostat to heat mode, and this acts as a full reset and it also allows the system to restart cleanly. Now you can listen to the furnace starting and check if the warm air begins to flow. If after doing this particular step it doesn't work for you, you can check the issues like blocked vents, low gas supplies, and ignition problems. So that's how you can quickly reset your suburban RV furnace very easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.